Hey everyone! Today we're diving into two super important statistical concepts, p-value and confidence intervals. The p-value tells you how likely your results happened by pure chance, while the confidence interval gives you a range where the true value probably lives. These are the tools data scientists use every day to figure out if their results actually mean something or if they just got lucky. Let's break them down step by step. Here's how the whole process works. You start by collecting your data, then run a statistical test like a t-test. That gives you a p-value, which you compare to the magic threshold of 0.05. If your p-value is less than 0.05, you reject the null hypothesis and call your result statistically significant. If it's 0.05 or higher, you can't reject the null hypothesis, meaning you don't have enough evidence to say something interesting is happening. Let's zoom in on p-values. The golden rule is this: if your p-value is less than 0.05, you reject the null hypothesis. If it's 0.05 or higher, you fail to reject it. Think of it like this: if p equals 0.02, there's only a 2% chance your result happened randomly, which is pretty strong evidence. The lower the p-value, the more confident you can be that something real is going on. Just remember, 0.05 is a convention scientists agreed on, not some law of nature. Let me show you how this works in Python. For the p-value, we use SciPy's t-test to compare two groups. It returns both the test statistic and the p-value, so you can immediately see if your groups are significantly different. For confidence intervals, we calculate the mean of our data and then use the t.interval function to get a 95% confidence interval. This tells us, we're 95% confident the true population mean falls somewhere in that range. Super useful for reporting uncertainty in your results. Alright, let's wrap this up. Remember, a p-value under 0.05 means your result is statistically significant, and it tells you how likely your data happened by random chance. Confidence intervals give you a range where the true value probably lives, with 95% confidence being the standard. Together, these tools help you quantify uncertainty and make smarter decisions with data. When you're presenting results, always report both the p-value and the confidence interval to give the full picture. Now you've got the statistical firepower to back up your findings.